Hi guys, welcome back and thank you for tuning in again. So before we start today, look behind me how beautiful this sunset is. It's just stunning. So that's I wanted to say first before we get into the charts. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in again. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out, especially on days like this, on these important updates. So and now let's get here straight into the Bitcoin chart. Here on the daily chart, what I want to show you today is once again here the 20 and the 50 moving average, because it looks like that Bitcoin is still really indecisive here and still going sideways and does not really know in which direction we should go here. But I can tell you, out of these sideways movements that we see here right now for Bitcoin, we always see explosive moves normally following shortly afterwards to the downside, to the upside or to the downside. So now let me show you why I pulled here again the 20 and the 50 moving average. So first of all, the red one is the 20 if I'm not mistaken. The 50, sorry, the red one is the 50, the white one is the 20. So and now let me show you what I'm meaning. So we see here every time when we are getting here the 20 under the 50, like here, see the price correcting to the downside. So and then we see a change of trend when the 20 is getting over the 50 again, as we have seen here, again to the upside. So then this here was like a fake out, then we got another move to the upside. So here the same thing. So here we got again the 20 going under the 50, and we saw a correction in price. So and now the price is still going here slightly under the 50 moving average and cannot really make a decision if it should break it to the upside or to the downside. So but as you have seen here, let me show you this also on the daily chart. So I will remove this. So you can see here, we have here also this sideways chop before we saw here the 20 getting over the 50 again and making a move to the upside. Now let me show that to you here also further back. Oops, sorry guys. So let me zoom in here. So there you can also see it. Here, sideways chop, getting over the 50, boom, move to the upside. So this is repeating over and over again here on the Bitcoin chart. So I can also go here into other sections where we have seen this in the past. So there's one more. Oops, sorry guys. So here, also here we saw this. So here again, sideways move, we get over the 50, boom, price action breaks to the upside. So now the only question is, when will this happen? When we will see here this move here to the upside in the moving average, on the 20 moving average, and the price action will obviously then follow. That is now the question. So that can actually still go on for quite a while, and we could see a last capitulation to the downside to around $36,000 before this is actually here manifesting on the chart. Something else that I wanted to point out today, let me see the right chart for this, this one here, and that would actually strengthening a little bit the bearish case. So that is here on the monthly chart, these parabolic curves. So you can see here, once we broke the parabolic curve, the price action went into a correction. So then we started a new parabolic curve. So here again, once we are breaking the curve, we're getting into a correction. So here another parabolic curve. Like this. So and then again, you see now we are potentially here in a, oh sorry guys, actually it goes like until here. This parabolic curve. I have to adjust this a little bit. So and then you see we have broken the curve here now and getting into a correction. So you can see this actually a little bit better if I use here a parallel channel for this. Ooh, sorry, that's because I have here lock on. Sorry, that's horrible. Let's see how far back this goes so that I can fix this. No, I will be not able to fix this like this. This is just horrible. I will do it differently, guys. I'm sorry. Leave lock on. So, but you get the picture, you know. So I will use now here just a normal trend line for this and make this blue. So you see here, parallel channel, and there was the breakout at this point. So now if we go and draw this over to the next one, they see the same thing. So I just have to adjust here a little bit the lines. So there you go. Here you see the same thing happening. Once we are breaking this parallel channel, then the price action is returning and moving to the upside. So here we are potentially also now in the beginning of this parallel channel. And the Bitcoin price has to break here again to the upside so that that we can start in a new uptrend. So the crucial level here to watch, and that was something else that I wanted to point out, to actually invalidate this downwards trending channel or to prematurely break it to the upside. Let me zoom in for this here a little bit. So the level to watch for this is here from 42,000 to like 45,000. So that is the level to watch here. So that is the level that we have to break to break here out of this downwards trending channel. Otherwise, the Bitcoin price might remain here a little bit longer. So and goes then to the next lower level of support here on the monthly chart. So, and we all already know where this is. So this is all the way down here. So this will be here in the area of 29,500 all the way up to 33,500 in that area. So, and obviously we don't want to see that the Bitcoin price comes back into this area. We want that the Bitcoin price turns here quite soon around, breaks here above this and continues the uptrend, obviously. So, and I just want to show you really quick, guys. Don't forget that you still get, as an experienced trader here under my pinned comment, $9,200 in bonuses, $4,100 with my BYBIT link. And on Phemex, you get the $5,100 bonus with my affiliation link just under here. So you can also have an open trade like me right now here, which is slightly in the loss on Phemex or on BYBIT. Personally, I prefer definitely BYBIT. So just create an account, takes a couple of seconds, deposit some money, start trading, claim the bonus, trade with the bonus, and then withdraw the profits from this. So then here, what I also wanted to show you on the 4-hourly chart is actually that we are still seeing here also clearly this downwards trending line, which is massive resistance right now for the Bitcoin price. So in here again, you see when we are going here a little bit higher, see again here, $42,500 is also here a crucial level to break. So, but first, obviously we have to break above this line, which would be around $41,230. So, but the key takeaway is here that we see here now already since 5 days sideways movement in the price action. So, and that is usually the calm before the storm, before we see here a massive price explosion. So, and like I said, all the higher time frames, the smaller time frames, they're all overextended and oversold. So, and that's why my bias is here still more to the upside. If we see an explosive move to the upside, then the unlikelier scenario that we actually break here further down and go here to like $33,000, $29,000 approximately. So, and we just have to keep watch here a little bit longer what's happening with the Bitcoin price. So we can still make here the case for this symmetrical triangle that we are seeing here overall. So, but we are also really close here to this upward sloping support line right now in terms of the price action. So here the next couple of hours are really crucial to see what's here happening. And also this triangle is coming to the apex really soon here in the next 4 days. We are 5 days. We will hit the apex, and then Bitcoin has to make a decision either to break it to the upside or actually breaking here to the downside. Yeah, so we have to be a little bit more patient here, guys. There is actually not much more what we can do, but no trade is sometimes the best trade. So if you're sitting on the sidelines, if you want to look here for a trade on BYBIT or on Phemex, I recommend you don't open a trade position before we are breaking above $39,275. So this is the next major resistance that Bitcoin has to break. We can also see this right here from the recent hours where the Bitcoin price tried to actually break out here out of this range and got directly hammered and pushed back to the downside. So that is the immediate resistance that we have to break before we see here Bitcoin making any further moves and attempts here to the upside. So yeah, in that case, you could open a trade this then all the way up here to $41,200, and there I would reassess depending on if we see then also here a follow through, a break to the upside, or a correction or a rejection to the downside, if I would then take initial profits or keep this trade running. Guys, that's it already for today's. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers that I got in the recent couple of days. It's insane. It's blowing my mind. I'm so grateful for all of you. So don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share the video with as many people as you can, with your friends, family, and your grandma. And I will see you again tomorrow.